Hi, I'm Mariah Leeson, DIY craft expert and blogger at gigglesgalore.net. I'm here today to talk to you about some really fun holiday decor items and gift ideas using products from Michaels and my Cricut Maker. I love shopping at Michaels because I can find everything I need to make the holidays magical. Like this fireside collection. It's a great holiday collection that's got this galvanized metal buffalo plaid and that warm, cozy feel that kind of makes you want to cuddle up by the fire. But for me, my must-have go-to tool when it comes to the holidays is my Cricut Maker. I love creating personalized, professional-looking holiday gift ideas and decor items for my home with the Cricut Maker. I think it makes everything feel magical. You know, the Cricut Maker is the perfect precision cutting tool. It can cut almost anything from vinyl decals, iron-on, to leather, lace, balsa wood. You imagine it, it can cut it. I love to create things for my house, including these holiday items or this DIY snowman napkin that I've used to make my table feel extra festive and special, or make holiday DIY mugs that you can use to sip cocoa by the fire with the kids, or you could even make them as gifts for teachers, neighbors, or friends. No matter what you choose to do with your Cricut Maker, you can find everything to make your holidays magical at Michaels stores. Happy holidays!